Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about Lovable 2.0, which is now smarter, multiplayer, and more secure. Apparently, they just released this, and yeah, so they have a new brand and a new logo. I like this logo. I like the previous one, and this is also good. Lovable is such a good name for this product, and yeah, they now have a multiplayer. I don't know why people would need multiplayer here in this type of app because most of the things is done by one person and they use it for themselves. So probably perfect for friends, startups, and small enterprises collaborating on same app or want centralized billing. Centralized billing, that's also a good point here. And chat mode, Lovable is now catching up with the cursor, GitHub Copilot, everything. Chat mode is great. Um, I mostly use chat mode for like asking questions about the app and why we made certain decisions. So yeah, it's good. Security scan is probably just for Superbase, or it's the same more or less things that Superbase gives us. So it's not very full-fledged security, I'm guessing, but yeah, having a security scan is nice. Dev mode, yeah, they're still calling it dev mode even after the Figma fiasco. So dev mode is already there. Now they have visual edits in dev mode. This it looks exactly like Framer or Webflow, but yeah, this is a good idea. Most of the time, I just want to make a very small change in what I'm generating. So yeah, this is a very good idea. Custom domains, of course, they added custom domains and they have raised the pricing. $25 a month and Team Slugs with $30 a month. So yeah, overall good set of updates. Lovable is like one of the things that I use. It's not the primary things I use. If I want a full-fledged app, I'll use Chef by Convex, and if I want certain UI components, I'll use V0, and that's basically it. So Lovable is it's in middle of that. If I use Lovable, I don't know. I probably don't see me using Lovable most of the time because of Chef and V0. But yeah, if probably in Lovable 3.2, if they added more features, more updates, easy to manage, I'll probably jump onto Lovable. So yeah, that's it for this video. Bye bye.